Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'll show you how can you add a new location on Google Maps. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First, let's get something out of the way. So you open your store to make sure we have the Google Maps application updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. Then of course you quit the store and open Google Maps. From here we need to drag on the map to where you want to add this new location or this new place. Let's say we want to drop it on Spain. Let's go ahead and zoom in and tap and hold on the location we want to add that missing place. Then we scroll up, or we go ahead and swipe up from the bottom and tap on add a missing place. You get this window where you have to fill up information about this new place. Let's add a random name like Papa Pizza. Let's even choose a location or a category, which is required. Let's say it is a coffee shop or a coffee spot. And from here, I go ahead and even adjust the location if I want. I can add the exact location and where it is located within. Once I'm done from all of these information, I can tap on some bit in the bottom right corner, and that will basically add a new place on Google Maps once they verify it. And that is it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. See you soon.